Let's talk about canola oil. Canola oil is made from the seed of the rapeseed plant. In recent years, seed and vegetable oils have been gaining an increasingly negative reputation. This is due mostly to the fact that they are highly processed and are high in polyunsaturated fats, which are thought to oxidize easily and lead to inflammation. It is true that around 20% of all the canola grown in Australia is genetically modified. In other countries, as much as 90% is genetically modified. Most canola oils are also chemically extracted, using chemicals like hexane to get as much oil out of the plant as possible. The oil is further bleached and deodorized, leaving it devoid of beneficial nutrients and antioxidants. It is also true that some animal studies have reported an increase in inflammation with consumption of canola oil. But animal studies rarely translate to human studies, and in fact, when assessing human health outcomes, seed and vegetable oils have a mostly anti-inflammatory effect, especially when replacing saturated fats like butter. What's more, canola oil is not a polyunsaturated oil. It is a monounsaturated oil, putting it in the same camp as olive oil and avocado oil, which are considered the best oils for health. Canola oil also has a much higher smoke point compared to other monounsaturated oils, meaning that it can be cooked at higher temperatures without oxidizing. So what if you could find a better canola oil? Ausichef is a non-GMO expeller press canola oil that is 100% Australian made. It uses a mechanical extraction process similar to that of olive oil without the use of harsh chemicals. This canola oil also retains beneficial nutrients like vitamin E and K, while also providing many health benefits like improved cardiovascular health outcomes, better cholesterol control, and improvement in insulin sensitivity. On the whole, monounsaturated fats are also considered the best fats for fertility. Add Ausichef canola oil to your diet for a good source of healthy monounsaturated fats.